I need to find a Colonel Rooks. He's the one tried to kill me in that lab.
James, Colonel Rooks is the head Blackwatch commander in NYZ. This is much bigger than us. Listen to this Blackwatch message I just intercepted.
Cottonmouth 4-1, this is Cottonmouth. You'll be heading to Test Site Washington. Prepare for controlled release. Over.
You hear that, James? Those specimens, they are the monsters, and the test sites are city parks. This is what Blackwatch does in the Yellow Zone. You cannot stop them.
Father, I am gonna stop them, and I'm gonna find Rooks. With or without your help.
Give me a second.
Red Ground, this is release team Alpha 1-1 actual. Teams Alpha, Beta, and Gamma moving into position. How copy?
Alpha 1-1. Interrogative. Are the suppression teams in position?
All checks completed, Cottonmouth. We are ready for the release teams to commence.
Prepare for silent operation.
Release teams in place.
Copy that. Operation Flytrap is approved.
Roger that, Red Ground.
That's no civvy! That's a fucking test subject! Get a jet tech capture team down here ASAP!
They're trapped in a place, Commander!
Where's that fucking capture team? We're gonna lose him!
Oh my God, it's down! The specimen is down!
Now we're talking.
Release all the specimens! We gotta keep the subject busy until the capture team gets here!
Let's give these babies a test run.
Capture team has arrived. All units, focus fire on the hostile. Say again, focus fire on the hostile.
Hell fucking yeah.
Holy God in heaven! It's got fucking claws!
Hold fast, it's just one hostile. Cottonmouth, engage, engage.
Cottonmouth, this is Cottonmouth 4-2 actual. We've lost half our men, sir. Requesting orders, over.
4-2 actual, dig in and fire more accurately. Mako 1, get your victors in position and engage Tango primary.
Roger that, Cottonmouth. Moving to engage. Over.
Incoming.
This is Mako 1-3. Tango's got a rocket.
That ass whooping ought to restore the father's faith. Father!
James, did you go to the park?
Yeah.
And did you stop them?
Oh, I stopped the hell out of them. Father, you okay?
Follow me. We have a lot to do. There are 10,000 Blackwatch troops in NYZ, and who knows what Gentech is doing in those laboratories. We need to put them down.
So you trust him?
I don't know about that, but I can tell you this, James. If Alex Mercer wants to kill every last one of those Blackwatch and Gen-Tech putos, then I am with him.
What about God? He okay with this?
You let me handle him.
All right, Father. Where do I find Rooks?
His location will be top secret. But back in the day, we used to break into BlackNet terminals and steal that kind of information. The terminals are those satellite trucks you may have seen around.
Didn't know you were such a rebel. What exactly did you do before you were a priest?
Let's just say I've had a lot of tattoos removed.
Enough said.